The majority of people are resting wrong. Most people think they're resting when they're doom scrolling, zoning out on Netflix, or flicking through social media, when in actual fact this is doing the opposite, making you feel more lethargic and drained. They're empty calories for the mind, offering no real rest or energy boost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rest properly to ensure you have continued energy throughout your day. If you're new here, my name is Tom. I'm an engineering student on self-improvement while sharing everything I learned along the way with you guys. So let's get into it. Now, before I get into the actual techniques, this goes without saying that getting sufficient sleep is probably the most important thing in your life in general. Doing what you can now for a better night's sleep tonight is going to be one of the best ways to maintain your energy throughout the day and the rest of the week. If you want specific tips for this, then I've linked a video here that you can check out after this one. So even though most people spend the majority of their days on technology, whether that's in an office or at home, a lot of people spend their time behind a screen of some sorts. So when it comes to rest, it seems counterintuitive that you're just looking at a smaller or further away screen than the one you're looking at throughout the day. Looking at these screens, especially up close with your phone, is putting your brain in hyperactivity mode due to the flood of information it has to process in such a short space of time. Your mind and body needs to be in a state of calm to recover properly. So bombarding your brain with rapid fire TikToks is only going to drain your energy, mood, and motivation further. So what can you do to rest? The first thing you should focus on is calm activities. Now, calm is actually another acronym from the productivity guru that is Ali Abdaal, which stands for competence, so learning a skill; autonomy, which means having control or ownership of the activity; liberty, which just means that you need to separate this from the work that you're doing already; and mellow, to ensure that it's a relaxed and low-stake activity. Now, I interpret this as basically getting a hobby. Having a hobby away from your work that's still enjoyable and engaging, but also relaxing, is one of the best ways that you can switch into a relaxed mode. Now, this could be learning an instrument, photography, painting, reading, learning a language, crafts, anything you can think of. But what's important with these is to keep it low stakes. You have to remember that these activities are to relax yourself, so taking it too seriously and so getting pissed off that you can't play a certain piece or get the right angle for a photo is only going to stress you out more. So keep it chill and relaxed so you yourself can chill and relax too. The other type of activities you can engage with is what I like to call mindful rest activities. These are similar to what Andrew Huberman raves about for the non-sleep deep rest activities, such as yoga nidra or meditation. Dedicating the time for breathing exercises and getting yourself in a right mindset to calm your body can really help you rest and rejuvenate your energy. What I like to categorize alongside meditation and breathing exercises are things such as stretching and journaling, activities where you can pause what you're doing during the day and focus on a specific thing that can help you recharge your energy. One of the easiest forms of this you can do is actually mindfully zoning out. You can set a period of time without any music, podcasts, or anything, just to let your mind drift and see where your thoughts take you. You can think of this like a mental stretch, allowing your brain to wander and settle wherever it wants to. Another really important factor to improve your rest is going into nature. Now, our brains are wired to recharge in nature. A simple walk outside can greatly replenish our cognitive ability and boost our energy. But what's also interesting here is that bringing nature to you also works in a similar way. Simple things such as indoor plants or nature sounds can help trigger this primal relaxation. Now, this doesn't compare to the real thing of being able to go outside and look at the trees and sky and everything like that. But if you live in a built-up city and you've only got concrete around you, bringing the nature to you can go a long way in refreshing your mind. Finally, one of the most important things is actually taking rest days. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is nothing at all. A lot of the times we overstress ourselves by wanting to be productive 24/7, but this just mentally and physically exhausts us and will end up leading to burnout. So having days off to allow yourself to do less actually means you can come back and do even more the next day. Do be honest with yourself here though. If you haven't actually done anything, don't take full days off if you haven't actually done any work to require one in the first place. However, if you are struggling with procrastination and getting things done, don't worry, because I've got plenty more videos to help you get back on track. So there you go. Next time you find yourself doom scrolling, remember that I'm not actually resting here, and you can use any of these techniques to help you rest today so you can take on more tomorrow. If you found this information useful and want to find out more ways to keep your energy throughout the day, then check out the first link in the description for my private community and coaching. And as always, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.